Why does familial Mediterranean fever happen? I told you it is a monogenic mutation. We will see what is the gene which is implicated in familial Mediterranean fever. That is MEFV gene. So the MEFV gene mutation will cause abnormality in the pyrin protein. This pyrin protein is present in many cells, neutrophils, monocytes, dendritic cells, and also present in the peritoneal, synovial and dermal fibroblasts. Because of the mutation, it accelerates the procaspases, increases the conversion of pro-IL-1 beta to IL-1 beta, and an active inflammation ensues. So, most of these hereditary fevers or autoinflammatory condition, there is an increased production or increased secretion of interleukin-1 beta. The gene in familial Mediterranean fever is MEFV gene. Familial Mediterranean fever primarily occurs among the Mediterranean population, the Jews, Turks, Arabs and Italians. So, mevalonate kinase deficiency. When there is mevalonate kinase deficiency, it leads to isoprenoid depletion intracellularly. So, there is a depletion of isoprenoids. This will trigger the inflammasome, trigger the activation of RAAA. So, again, like we saw in familial Mediterranean fever, the pro-IL-1 beta gets converted to IL-1 beta, secreted outside, and that causes fever, periodic fevers or chronic autoinflammation. So, TNF receptor associated mutation, uninhibited production of cytokines resulting in fever. So, the diagnosis of TRAPS can be made if the fever is present for more than 5 days, typical fever. The improvement of the symptom is with corticosteroids and not with colchicine. So, only FMF has a wonderful response to colchicine. And the third criteria will be a positive family history, because TRAPS is inherited in an autosomal dominant manner.